Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to add a carousel to a React project using Bootstrap. So we are going to use carousel from Bootstrap library. So before adding a carousel, we need to install Bootstrap library into our project. So there is a command npm install react bootstrap space bootstrap. Once this Bootstrap library is installed, first thing we have to do is we need to import the Bootstrap library to our either main.jsx file or app.jsx file. Import bootstrap slash dist slash css slash bootstrap min dot css. That's it. So we have imported the bootstrap min. Now we need the carousel HTML content. So I have copied it already. Let me delete the default content. So this is the default, this is some sample carousel content. So you can have multiple carousel item 1, 2 and 3 inside a parent carousel. So this parent carousel will have 3 carousel items as per this code, and each carousel item will have an image. Regarding image, I'll tell you. I'm just going to copy this carousel content and paste it inside here. Right. So next thing we need image. So I have 3 default images added already. 3 default scenery images added. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 JPG. We need to import that images to the project. So we have imported all the 3 images. We will just add each image inside each carousel item. Image 1, and on the second carousel item image 2, and on the third carousel item src image 3. So before running, we have missed one more step. We have to import carousel inside this project. Carousel from Bootstrap. It can be Bootstrap or even React-Bootstrap. Let us run the project and see the output of carousel. So you have got the carousel inside your web page. So you can modify the text zoom level and everything whichever you need. You can do that in your code, and you can just simply reload it. First slide, just if you just change the text and reload, you will get the code immediately reloaded. That's it. So this is how you need to add a carousel inside your React project using Bootstrap. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.